Oh, there's a camera. Is it on? It is on. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another tutorial. If you didn't see my first tutorial, link down in the description below. It's how to use a bench. So today I'm not going to show you how to use something. Well, I kind of am. I'm going to show you how to eat pizza. So first, what you're going to want to do is clean off your plate. So you get Pizza Hut, or really any pizza. Then I recommend getting pineapples on it so that it's really sweet. Then you microwave it, do all that nasty stuff. I actually haven't done it yet. Do 20 seconds. Wait for it to finish microwaving. Okay, it's done. Go ahead, you plop it out of your microwave. Then you put it here, and then what you do, some people might think it's gross, but it makes it taste really good. You get Cool Whip, or whipped frosty, or whipped cream, or whatever. You shake it up! Shake it up. Then make sure it's good. Bob, you put it on your pizza. I know how there's like pizza pie and all that. That's all fake. This is real pizza pie. So then you sit down, you stretch, you pick it up, and then you bite it. And you're like, man, that was surprisingly good. So this is a shorter video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.